Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I haven't posted a video in such a long time. So the reason why I haven't posted is because I actually, so me and my sister share a room right now currently, and we're trying to, we're trying to have separate rooms. So we're moving everything around, and it takes a while to do that. But the reason why I'm shooting this video is because I wanted to say that I ordered a squishy package. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I ordered it like about a month ago. And it's coming from China. Here, I'll grab my other phone. See, I'm currently videotaping on my new phone, so yeah. Here's my old phone. So I so I ordered it offline, and I bookmarked the page that I ordered it from. And so yeah, I'm going on the internet right now. Yeah, I'm going to my bookmarked page. Okay. So the bread toast it looks like this. It looks like that. And it says it's supposed to come October 25th through November 30th. But seriously, I really don't want to wait that long. But like, I only got one. It's $3.49. It says condition is new. I'm probably gonna get scammed again. But yeah, I'm really hoping I don't get scammed. This is the thing that I'm getting. I think it's adorable. But yeah, it still hasn't come yet, and I'm waiting so long for it. It's like, ugh. But yeah, it's on my bookmark pages. Here, this is everything about it. Right down there. Focus! Sorry, guys. Okay, so it's $3.49. It's coming October 30th through, it's right there. October 25th through November 30th. I can't wait that long. Like, that's just, no. It can, so it says, it's 11 centimeters. It's a jumbo squishy. Yeah, and it says it has cell phone straps. So, yeah. I just wanted to tell you guys that it's really, really boring waiting for it. And, yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my squishy. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with another YouTube video tomorrow. Bye, guys!